Hello everyone. So today we'll try tackling a lesson in algebra named Simultaneous Linear Equations. This lesson is probably suitable for grade 8 students for grade 8 algebra. Here we'll be tackling a single problem. Maybe a single problem only, but it's going to take us much time since the numbers are big. So I want you to listen carefully, friends. We'll be tackling, and how onto solving this, we'll be tackling two ways on how to solve it. Basically, there are four ways, namely the graphical, the elimination, the substitution, and the Gauss-Jordan method. We'll be tackling the two of them, namely the elimination and substitution method. So, first we'll try doing the elimination method. Eli. First, we'll have to find any of x and y to cancel. It's better to place x and y at the left side of the equation. Then at the right side would be the constant with no coefficient. There. So now we have y and x. We have organized the problem into this first equation, and at this step we could either choose x or y onto making the same quantity to cancel that. In other words, let's try solving it. For me, I'd like to choose y to answer. So the LCM, or the greatest common multiple of 5 and 9, is 45, as long as I'm concerned. So plus 4x and 9 times 9. We have times 9 on both sides since transposing. You slap on the left, you slap on the right. Then this part have 5 times negative 9y minus 11x. The other side, 5 times negative 20. 45y, 9 times 5, then we add the y, then 36x, 81, negative 45y, negative 55x, then we have our negative 100. Since 20 times 5 is 100, put the negative 100. Now that we have like digits, like terms, on both linear equations, we could either choose plus or minus. At this point, since this is positive and this is negative, let's try plus. Since if we place minus here, this will be plus 45, it will be chaos. So now that we have the y variable as 0, we no longer have to minus that anymore, but either x and the constant at the right side. 55 minus 36 would be 19. Yes, it is 19. Then we have our negative 19, since 100 minus 81 is 19. Now that we have our first variable, x is equal to 1, let's try solving among two first-hand problems. Either this or this. We have our x is equal to 1. let's try substituting x, these two parts, these two linear equations. Now that we have x is equal to 1, let's try copying the first equation. Negative 9 plus 5y is equal to negative 4. 5y is equal to 9 minus 4, 5. Now that we have our y variable, it's this part, let's try making sure that this counterpart is correct by substituting x again at this second variable, linear equation. So negative 11 times 1 is equal to negative 20 plus 9y. We have our linear equation now. So negative 11 plus 20, transpose it to the other side, equal to 9y. 9y is equal then to positive 9. Now that we are sure of our answers, since x contribute correctly to y is equal to 1 to both equations, we could now make our point of intersection, or our solution. X and y, both 1 and 1. That's our answer. That's for elimination method and how we answer it. But to make sure we have another same answer, let's try solving substitution method. Sub. At this method, we try to find which variable we'd like to eliminate or we'd like to find. So in this case, if we check out our first linear equation, I'd choose, since a while ago I've chosen y, maybe I want to choose x for now. For x. Now that we have x, we do this. Transpose, then 5y minus 9. X is equal to 5y minus 9 over 4. This is our first call. X is equal to 5y minus 9 over 4. Let's substitute what we have in x to the second linear equation. So this will be negative 11 over 1 times 5y minus 9 over 4. Next, negative 55y plus 99 over 4. Wait, still have this at the other side, you know. To remove the fraction, let's multiply them. Everything times 4. Times 4, other side times 4. It will be negative 55y plus 99 is equal to negative 80 plus 36y. This is how beautiful math is, you know. It's not a verbal irony. Negative 55y minus 36y, negative 99 plus 80. Our answer could be, little technique here. 80 plus 80 is 160, plus 19, 179. We have our negative 179. 55 plus 36, negative 91y is equal to negative 179. You might want to use your calculator for this. Oh, answer is a fraction.